Hello, it's Shandy from ExpressionFiberArts.com. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited today to show you how to crochet this angled striped infinity scarf. Here's what you're going to need to make this scarf. A size US H crochet hook, and then 2 different colors of worsted weight yarn. This is my pearlescent worsted weight yarn. It's a single ply worsted weight. And I have 2 different colors today. I'll put the information below. And these are 220 yards each, and we used almost the full skeins. Step 1 is to wind your skeins into balls before you use them. Do not skip that step or you will end up with a giant tangled mess. If you don't know how to do that, I have a video on how to wind a center pull ball. To begin this pattern, start by making a slip knot. Start by popping that slip knot onto your hook and chain 43. And if you don't know how to do anything that I show you in this video, be sure to check out my previous videos on how to crochet for beginners. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and 43. Row 1, you're going to skip that first chain and work 1 single crochet into each chain across. Here's what you should have when you've completed row 1. Make sure you turn, and now we're going to work row number 2. Begin by chaining 1, and then work 1 single crochet in each of the first 2 single crochets. So 1, 2, and then you're going to work 2 single crochets in the next single crochet. So 1, and then again in that same stitch, work another single crochet. Now we're going to work 1 single crochet in each stitch across until 4 stitches remain. When you have 4 stitches remaining, you're going to single crochet 2 together across the next 2 stitches. And then finish by working 1 single crochet in each of the final 2 single crochets. What happened on that row is we increased at the beginning of the row and we decreased at the end. So that's what's going to create a really cool angle. So all of our stripes are going to be angled in our infinity scarf. Make sure you turn, and then we're going to work row 3, which is really simple. It's basically the same as row 1. Chain 1, and then work 1 single crochet in each single crochet across. Once you've finished row 3, it's going to look like this. Now, to continue on with your scarf, what you're going to do is really simple. It's just a 2-row repeat from here on out. So, with this same color, color A, go ahead and repeat rows 2 and 3 once more. Then, the pattern is switch to your other color and work rows 2, row 3, rows 2, and row 3, so 4 rows. Then switch back to color A and work 4 rows, row 2, row 3, row 2, row 3, and repeat that back and forth. So you're going to have 4 rows of each color. And when you do that, do not worry about leaving your ends. Just pull them right up the side, and they will be nearly invisible when you get to the end of making your scarf, and you won't have a million ends to weave in. You can see here where we pulled the strands up the side. It's almost not even noticeable. It looks really clean, and even on the other side of that you can't tell at all. Also, have a look and see how producing the increasing on one side and then decreasing on the other end of the row, it produces this beautiful angle. It's really fun. A super simple technique for a really cool effect. All right, if your scarf is long enough, you could just leave it as a scarf. It makes a nice angled edge, which is really cool. Or if you want to do what I did on this one, we're going to actually seam it up and make an infinity scarf or a cowl. You want to grab a darning needle and thread one of your colors onto that needle. Grab your piece and pinch your two sides together, and we're just going to whip stitch them together. It's a super simple method of joining your crochet. One more for good measure. Once you're done with that, you've completed your scarf. It's now an infinity scarf. You can see we've joined those two ends together here. It makes a nice, neat finish. To finalize everything, you want to cut your ends, weave in your tails, and you are good to go. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to crochet an awesome angled striped infinity scarf. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and comment below with any ideas you have for future videos so we can try to make that happen for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future episodes. Now, the absolute best way to stay in touch with me is via email newsletter. So please head to expressionfiberarts.com and sign up for email updates, and I will let you know when we have big monthly yarn giveaways, free patterns, coupons, and a whole lot more. All right, grab your hook, grab some yarn, and go do some crocheting today, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.